Hey, I'm Rachel Ngom from shesmakinganimpact.com. Let's talk consistency. So ordinary things consistently done produce extraordinary results. You have got to be consistent. A book that I read when I first started my business when I was 23 was The Compound Effect by Darren Hardy. And I also read The Slight Edge by Jeff Olson. And in the books, they talk about just doing the work and showing up. And it's those small behaviors over time that really produce results. And so when I was first starting this business, I was starting to build my platform on Facebook and my Facebook fan page. Back when fan pages actually worked really well back in the day. And I was so consistent. So I took a course and I learned that I needed to post consistently and I needed to post every single day and several times a day. So what I did was I scheduled out 10 posts a day and I posted every day. And I want to say I did that for several years and I did not miss a day. Even when I was in the hospital giving birth to my son, I knew that I was like, I'm 40 weeks pregnant, I'm gonna have a kid soon, so I better schedule out at least 1 to 2 weeks of posts for Facebook. So even when I was giving birth in the hospital, my Facebook fan page was still being consistent. So your people are counting on you and they need you to show up on a consistent basis. Otherwise, they're gonna forget about you. So how can you be super consistent? Something that I do is I batch content. So this is my 7th video in a row that I'm doing right now. So how can you be consistent? How can you batch content? And how can you show up and add value on a consistent basis? When you do that, your people will start to follow you and fall in love with what you're doing. So important. So important. Okay, did you know we have a challenge coming up? I'm gonna teach you how to monetize your blog in our free 5-day blog to bank challenge. Just go to joinblogchallenge.com so you can register and I'll see you there. Bye.